Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write emails 10x faster using Chat. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a working professional, this guide will help you save time and boost productivity using the power of AI. So let's dive in and learn how to turn boring and time-consuming email writing into something you can finish in just seconds. What is Chat? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that helps you write, revise, and improve your text, including emails. It understands your instructions and generates human-like, professional, and context-appropriate content, whether it's a job email, client reply, school query, or project follow-up. Chat can help you write it faster and smarter. Why use Chat for emails? Key benefits: saves time, reduces writer's block, suggests professional tone and structure, can translate, summarize, and rephrase, works for any type of email, formal, informal, business, academic. How to use Chat for writing emails. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Chat. Go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. You can use the free version GPT 3.5 or upgrade to Plus for GPT-4, which gives better quality outputs. Step 2. Give a clear prompt. A prompt like, write a professional email to a client apologizing for a delayed response and rescheduling the meeting. Or, create a follow-up email for a job interview I attended last week. The more details you give, the better the email will be. Step 3. Customize and edit. Once Chat generates the email, review it. You can say, make it sound more casual, make it shorter, add a thank you note at the end. Step 4. Copy and send. After you're happy with the result, just copy it into your Gmail, Outlook, or any email client, and hit send. Email types you can create with Chat. Here are some common email types. Chat can help you write faster. Professional emails, job application, follow-up, client proposals, and pitches. Customer support replies, meeting scheduling emails. Thank you notes, academic emails to teachers or professors, networking or LinkedIn reach outs. Advanced prompts. Examples for 30. Example 1. Job follow-up. Write a polite follow-up email to HR regarding my interview for the software engineer position last Friday. Example 2. Business proposal. Draft a professional email to a potential client introducing our digital marketing services with a meeting request. Example 3. School email. Write a formal email to my teacher requesting an extension on my assignment due to a personal emergency. Tips to improve Chat email results. Be clear about the purpose, mention the recipient, and context. State the tone you want: formal, casual, friendly. Ask for a shorter, longer version if needed. Always review the final version before sending.
Disclaimer: emails generated by Chat should always be reviewed before sending. You're still responsible for what you send, so make sure the message reflects your intent and aligns with your values and workplace etiquette. Conclusion: and that's how you can write emails 10x faster using Chat. This AI tool saves time, boosts clarity, and helps you sound more confident and professional. Try it out for your next email, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity and AI tips.